So this is unit 202 here at the Eckardt. Large open loft, plenty of storage, big closet. These are all the Italian cabinets when the building was rebuilt in 2007. All the units got these really elaborate cabinets. Large space, polished concrete floors, already wired for high-speed internet. This is a little breakfast or bedroom nook back here. Plenty of space to fit a king-size bed. You could wall this off or do some sort of a divider. Very large. Range is gas, oven, microwave, fridge, tub over shower, tiled. You have hookups here for washer dryer. You can put a stackable unit here, real easy. Cabinets matched the kitchen. 10-foot ceilings. It doesn't face Los Angeles, so this is a very quiet unit back here. So if you need quiet space, working from home, you don't want the street noise of downtown LA, this is a great option. And this is probably the coolest part here is this huge outdoor patio. You don't see this very often. There's actually only 3 units that have this at the building here. We have this huge space. You can see the neighbors did their little patio setup and barbecue grill. There's the building next door. So it's a very private space. You could create some sort of a plant or divider here if you want a little bit more privacy. Very cool, very industrial feel. This is part of Santee Village, so every building has something different on the rooftop. This one has a barbecue area. Building next door has a basketball court. The one over from that has a golf putting range. And another building around the corner has the pool. So this is definitely a cool space, very unique. Previous tenant was here for 3 years. He just moved out, so it just became available.